Hello, laboratory scientists. Welcome to lab. Today we're going to be using the microscopes to look at eukaryotic plant and animal cells. The objective of today is for you to compare several different types of cells. By the end of today's lab, you will be able to identify the type of cell you are looking at and locate a couple of the organelles we have been studying in class. Let me give you a scenario, and be aware, this could happen to you. Let's say you're just hanging out in a science lab and someone rushes over with a cell sample of a new organism that has yet to be identified. How would you know if it were a plant or an animal? What structures would you look for once you mounted the specimen on a slide and viewed it under the microscope? As I stated before, today's lab has two main objectives. You will be looking through your microscope. From what you see, you will be able to determine if the cell you are looking at is a plant or an animal because of its structure. With a little more exploration, you will be able to locate and identify the cell membrane, the cytoplasm, the nucleus, and the cell wall. But remember, these are only on plant cells. Here we have an example of a human cheek cell as seen through a microscope under high magnification. You will notice the big pink blob. That is one cell. There are many to choose from on your slide, but choose one that is large enough to see the organelles. Adjust your iris diaphragm to increase or reduce the amount of light so you can get a better view if necessary. Here are the organelles you will see. This pink thing in the middle is the nucleus. Around it is the cytoplasm. Next, we have the cell membrane. That goes around the outside of the light pink. Now compare the animal cell to an Elodea plant cell. Notice the difference in structure. Plant cells are similar to that of a brick wall. Each brick is a single cell. Here are the organelles you should see. First, you have the nucleus. Surrounding that is the cytoplasm. Then the cell membrane. And because this is a plant cell, you have the cell wall. Now you are ready to complete your lab comparing plant and animal cells. Good luck. I'll be around to help you during lab.